Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let's take a look at the headlines. Union Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President JP Nadda inaugurates BJP office in Guwahati. Terminated contractual teachers call off their month-long agitation. Meghalaya Congress President Vincent Pala to contest 2023 Assembly polls. And Indian Air Force celebrates its Raising Day today. The news in detail. Union Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP National President JP Nadda today inaugurated the newly constructed Assam State BJP office at Basistha area in Guwahati. This is the biggest office of the party in the northeastern region. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal and state party leaders were present on the occasion. Nadda and Shah would also attend the party workers meeting at the Veterinary College Playground, Khanapara in Guwahati. The senior BJP leaders also held a meeting with the party workers in Guwahati.
का ये हिस्सा अगर मुख्य धारा से कटता है तो क्या होगा? चार देशों की सीमा जिस उत्तर पूर्व से मिलती है वहां पर ना शांति थी, ना विकास था, ना संस्कृति, संगीत, भाषा का विकास हो रहा था, ना यहां पर पढ़ाई लिखाई ठीक से हो रही थी। मुझे आज बहुत आनंद और हर्ष है 2014 से लेकर 2022 के अल्पकाल के अंदर आज पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट और हमारा आसाम विकास के रास्ते पर चल पड़ा है।
The Meghalaya Government Lower Primary School Contractual Teachers Association, MGLP CTA, on Friday called off its tour following a Supreme Court order to the state government to allow them to reappear for the Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test. MGLP CTA President Birbor Ryangtem said that until a few hours before dusk, the Teachers Association was determined to carry on the agitation till death. But things changed quickly. The MGLP CTA, which is spearheading the agitation by hundreds of contractual teachers, had earlier moved to the Supreme Court. Ryangtem said the teachers were happy with the order of the Apex Court.
Supreme Court badon buram kala Shah yang manile kantet kam kaya kasnam ka jongi kam kaya ka jing he ka jingrit afta ka jongi bat kadon ka relaxation hagi babon kiliang kam tamaga cut off marks kumta terter halor kata kanong rim nakaliang jongi isngokpan mangi ape kata karai ka bansa boy jongi but next kam kumbala ku education minister ula training prepao kan jongi unle ekabdan kam banirap ha ita ibenta nagbenta jongi kinaiga kontra.
Lok Sabha member from Shillong and Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent H. Pala is all set to make an entry into the state politics via the upcoming assembly polls. Revealing this here on Friday, Congress Working President PNCM confirmed Pala's plan to contest from the Sutunga Saipung constituency against former party colleague turned Trinamool Congress MLA Shitlang Pale. CM said Congress is not projecting anyone as the chief ministerial face since the party has a tradition of the elected MLAs choosing their leader of the House.
Mr. Vincent Pala also contesting elections this time?
Yes.
From which?
From Sukna against Bashir Lampali. These chances, but I think being the MP, so popular, the president of the party, I think people, they knew him very well. So I think for him, it is a problem to win. He will win. As of now, we have not projected anyone to as the chief minister, because that depends on their post-election. I think you understand, as per the procedure, those who win the election they will form the CLP. The CLP will decide who will be their leader.
The Indian Air Force IAF today marked 90 years of excellence and began its celebrations in Chandigarh with a band march and parade. On the occasion, the Chief of Indian Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary, said that they have inherited the proud legacy curated by sheer hard work, perseverance and vision of their predecessors, right to acknowledge the contribution of their veterans who charted this course. Former BJP leader John Antonius Lyngdoh joined Congress on Friday. He joined Congress along with his supporters at a felicitation program. Lyngdoh's entry is expected to make the battle for the North Shillong seat tougher for contenders such as sitting Knam legislator Adalbert Nongrum and former Director of Health Services Aman War, who is set to be the UDP candidate. Others eyeing the constituency are Ransom Sutunga from NPP, retired police officer Mariahom Kharkrang and social activist Michael Carcentile, both vying for the BJP ticket. After 2 years' gap, the adventurous Hinyotrep off-roaders Ahor revived the Ahor 4x4 Off-Road Challenge 2022, which is the 4th edition of the Ahor. The two-day competition concluded today at Karsati Park, Umthnam, Riboy district. The competition received a response in the 4th edition with over 27 participants competing in the stock category and 9 in the modified category. Ahor President Damian Omdor informed that the Ahor is one of the organizations which has an ambition to promote off-road sports in the state of Meghalaya and to give a platform for the ambitious drivers who love to drive off-roads. The weather report. The maximum temperature was 24.6 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 16 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 84%, while in the evening was 88%. Forecast moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. Before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Union Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President JP Nadda inaugurates BJP office in Guwahati. Terminated contractual teachers call off their month-long agitation. Meghalaya Congress President Vincent Pala to contest 2023 Assembly polls. And Indian Air Force celebrates its Raising Day today. That's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. And from all of us here, it's good night.